Hello, and welcome back to Sigma Investing Hub. Today, we are diving deep into the exciting world of investing, and our spotlight is on Ebet Inc.'s EBET share price. We'll cover technical analysis, future targets, chart patterns, and why setting stop-loss orders is crucial to protect your investments. So, let's jump right in. First, let's roll up our sleeves and get into some technical analysis. Here's a chart displaying Ebet's recent price movements. As of latest market close, Ebet stock is trading at $0.044 per share. Understanding these price movements is essential for making informed investment decisions. For those new to technical analysis, let me explain a few key elements on this chart. Green candles indicate days when the price closed higher than the open, while red candles represent the opposite. Recently, we've seen a mix of bullish and bearish movements. The stock has shown both upward momentum and periods of correction. Now, let's shift our focus to future targets. Many investors are curious about where Ebet might be headed. Check out this graphic, which outlines some potential price targets. Analysts have varying opinions, but the consensus suggests that if the current trends continue, Ebet could potentially reach short-term resistance levels in the range of $15 to $18. Remember, these targets are not set in stone. The stock market is influenced by numerous factors, and these targets serve as reference points to monitor your investments. Now, let's explore chart patterns. These patterns can provide valuable insights into a stock's future direction. Here's a chart showing some recent chart patterns observed in Ebet's price action. One pattern to note is the recent uptrend, marked by higher highs and higher lows. This indicates strong buying pressure and potential for further gains. Additionally, we've seen some consolidation periods, where the stock takes a pause before potentially resuming its upward movement. These consolidation phases are a natural part of stock price behavior. Now, let's talk about a critical risk management tool, the stop-loss order. A stop-loss order is a preset price level at which you decide to sell your shares automatically. It's essential to protect your investments from significant losses. Setting a stop-loss on most trading platforms is easy. Simply enter your desired price level, and the platform will execute the sale if the stock reaches that price, limiting your potential losses. Using stop-loss orders is a disciplined way to manage risk. It ensures that even if the stock experiences a sudden downturn, you won't suffer catastrophic losses. In conclusion, Ebet Inc. stock is navigating